long with 19 decks and more than 1,678 cabins with more than 1,500 crew members and can fit the maximum occupancy of 4,764 passengers. This is the only place in Saudi Arabia who has a 1,000 key in one place. So our cabins divided to two types of cabins. الكباين عندنا مقسمة إلى نوعين من الكباين. كباين عادية وكباين فاخرة. We have two types of cabins, normal cabins and luxury cabins. The normal cabins is divided to three types. How many cabins we have? We have 1,524 cabins as a normal cabin. عندنا 1524 غرفة normal cabin. عندي 200 غرفة connected. Connected يعني they have one door inside. And another 20 options as adjoining cabin. معنى adjoining cabin, that's two cabins, they share one outdoor. One door, you open it, you will find two cabins inside. So if the guest book these two cabins, he can close the outdoor and keep it for himself as a privacy. Not like the inside connected, which they connected to الداخلية, they have a door between the cabin from the inside. So we have two options. So the normal cabin is, we have the first category, we have the interior cabin. أول خيار عندنا هو الغرف الداخلية اللي هي طبعا بدون شباك بدون أي حاجة. We have 402 cabins, عندنا 402 غرفة, can fit up to 3 guests. Not all the cabins can fit for 3 guests, but we have the mix between cabins can fit for 2 and cabins can fit for 3. When you choose the cabin in the system, in the map, you will see a difference sign between the triple occupancy and the double occupancy. I will show you how it works. And in the second category, we have the sea view cabin. الفئة الثانية عندنا اللي هي الغرف بشباك. A cabin with a window. I have only 82 cabins, and some of the cabins can fit for 2, and some cabin can fit up to 4. في عندنا غرف بتساعد شخصين, وفي عندنا غرف بتساعد ل4 أشخاص. And the most category of the occupancy we have the balcony cabin. We have about 1,040 cabins with the balcony cabin. All our cabins, balcony, are sea view. We don't have inside view. All sea view. And most of the cabins can fit for 2, 4, and 5 people. Up to 5 guests in the same cabin. Then we have the luxury area, which we call it Al-Khuzama. Khuzama experience. Al-Khuzama experience is offering a luxury experience with stunning suites and villas. We have 154 Khuzama experience suites and villas, 145 suites and 9 villas. The suites can fit up to 4 only. All the suites can fit up to 4 only, except the villas. We have villas for 6 people and one villa for 12 people. The Royal Villa, which is one of the most largest villas on board the cruise in general, up to 400 square meters, 6 bedrooms, 2 living rooms, a private jacuzzi, private sauna, private gaming room, and they have the private hot tub.